Do you believe in luck? Do you believe in luck? I left my bag at home. I left my bag at home. She works as a designer. She works as a designer. The food smells amazing. The food smells amazing. I didn't sleep well. I didn't sleep well. She is very good at drawing. She is very good at drawing. We should leave now. We should leave now. I saw a shooting star. I saw a shooting star. They invited us to dinner. They invited us to dinner. My phone is almost dead. My phone is almost dead. This isn't what I ordered. This isn't what I ordered. I'll be ready in a minute. I'll be ready in a minute. Can you close the window? Can you close the window? She lost her voice. She lost her voice. He's fixing his bike. He's fixing his bike. I need to make a call. I need to make a call. She forgot her password. She forgot her password. Let's order pizza tonight. Let's order pizza tonight. I'm saving money for a trip. I'm saving money for a trip. He's cleaning his room. He's cleaning his room. This soup tastes great. This soup tastes great. I need to water the plants. I need to water the plants. We're watching a documentary. We're watching a documentary. Can I sit next to you? Can I sit next to you? She's learning how to swim. She's learning how to swim. He bought a new laptop. He bought a new laptop. My shoes are too tight. My shoes are too tight. I found a great recipe online. I found a great recipe online. We stayed up all night. We stayed up all night. It's my turn now. It's my turn now. The shop closes at 8. The shop closes at 8. He's talking to his boss. He's talking to his boss. The streets are empty today. The streets are empty today. She broke her glasses. She broke her glasses. I'm afraid I can't help. I'm afraid I can't help. They're building a new school. They're building a new school. This phone is easy to use. This phone is easy to use. I'm late because of traffic. I'm late because of traffic. We often visit our grandparents. We often visit our grandparents. I made a cake for you. I made a cake for you. She painted the walls white. She painted the walls white. He's afraid of flying. He's afraid of flying. Can you open the bottle? Can you open the bottle? We met at a birthday party. We met at a birthday party. She wears glasses every day. She wears glasses every day. I forgot to feed the cat. I forgot to feed the cat. The room is full of people. The room is full of people. Let's not talk about it. Let's not talk about it. He plays football every weekend. He plays football every weekend. I saw something strange. I saw something strange. We arrived a bit early. We arrived a bit early. He forgot to do his homework. He forgot to do his homework. She's wearing a beautiful scarf. She's wearing a beautiful scarf. I bought a gift for my friend. I bought a gift for my friend. Let's go by train. Let's go by train. The dog is barking loudly. The dog is barking loudly. I feel much better now. I feel much better now. He's working on a new project. He's working on a new project. She speaks English fluently. She speaks English fluently. The food is ready. The food is ready. Don't forget to call me. Don't forget to call me. I haven't seen that movie yet. I haven't seen that movie yet. They opened a new cafe nearby. They opened a new cafe nearby. We're going to the countryside. We're going to the countryside. She's reading a detective novel. She's reading a detective novel. I drink tea every morning. I drink tea every morning. The children are drawing pictures. The children are drawing pictures. He always forgets his keys. He always forgets his keys. It's hard to explain. It's hard to explain. Can you wait a second? Can you wait a second? We're having guests tonight. We're having guests tonight. She decorated the room herself. She decorated the room herself. He got lost in the city. He got lost in the city. I'm looking forward to the weekend. I'm looking forward to the weekend. Please write it down. Please write it down. They're laughing at a joke. They're laughing at a joke. She needs to study more. She needs to study more. I dropped my phone. I dropped my phone. The weather is changing. The weather is changing. We had a great vacation. We had a great vacation. He rarely watches TV. He rarely watches TV. She cleaned the house yesterday. She cleaned the house yesterday. I want to try something new. I want to try something new. He fell asleep on the sofa. He fell asleep on the sofa. Let's play a board game. Let's play a board game. The baby is crying. The baby is crying. She's baking a cake now. She's baking a cake now. He ran to catch the bus. He ran to catch the bus. I opened the window for fresh air. I opened the window for fresh air. We're staying home tonight. We're staying home tonight. I overslept this morning. I overslept this morning. She sings beautifully. She sings beautifully. They are building a new house. They are building a new house. We enjoyed the concert. We enjoyed the concert. The book is on the shelf. The book is on the shelf. He fixed the broken chair. He fixed the broken chair. She forgot her umbrella. She forgot her umbrella. Let's go shopping together. Let's go shopping together. The light is too bright. The light is too bright. He speaks very fast. He speaks very fast. My phone battery is low. My phone battery is low.